right. I think the stream is going good. Anyway, alright, let me go see. Alright, let me get up the stream. I'm about to post this into the Discord. I may mute from time to time, but I'm about to... Right now, I'm just going to post this in the Discord. And then we'll get started looking at some stocks, or some Forex charts. Type some stuff out. Alright, so I'm going to start looking at some pairs as of right now. Alright, I'm just going to mute for a bit, and I'll be back on in a second. Alright, take care. post this into the Discord.
Alright, now let's start looking for some trades. Now, first of all, let's go to the settlement calendar. Let me turn this down a bit. How do I turn this? There we go. There we go. And I just opened up something. Okay, so let's see what's the... First of all, let's check out the currency strength meter. I think I need to refresh this. And, the yen was just super strong, but now the euro is? I usually don't take this sentiment meter too seriously because it changes so rapidly. But it just gives me a little bit of an idea. And then if there's any news, talks about the euro falling. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. Let's see what's coming up soon. You got some news on Australia that's within the next 25 minutes. Doesn't look like it will impact too much, but it's probably best to stay off of those. This would have been a really good entry right here, but I think I'm too late to the party with this bouncing at this. Let me see, where is it? Let me get my tools out. There we go. Right around here. That would have been an amazing entry, especially since it wicked out right there. Oh, where's the brush? Can never find anything on here. So it wicked out right there against this resistance level, and now it started to go down. It is a bit of a late entry. If it taps up here again, first of all, I need to double check to make sure my mic is working. If it taps up here again, I might take it. Let me look at it on the hourly. It looks like it overall looks like it's gonna go down, but I think it's too late of an entry. So anyway, let's look for something else. And let me check the sentiment. Okay, so the euro is heavily being no, this one actually. Yeah, the euro's being shorted, at least against the Aussie. But when it comes to the dollar, the retail, they're actually... Most people are buying the euro against the dollar. Let me just look at this. But then when it comes to the... Looks like they're buying the Aussie over the US dollar. So let's try and get an idea. It seems in general like the retail crowd is going against the dollar for the most part. Let me look at the DXY. Is it a stronger... I mean, it could wick off and drop right about here. So let's look at Euro USD. Sentiment shows that lots of people are actually buying this. I don't really see much reason to buy it. I mean, the dollar did look like it was weak. If it tags up here, we can see and maybe give it
a short, but I'm not quite sure about that. So for the point now, I'm just going to mark this as a possible area of interest. And let's see what gold is doing, actually. Gold is, looks like it's rejecting this area up here. We're back to over to a bigger time frame. Did I look at dollar CAD yet? Oh, this is interesting. Let's go to the hourly. Yep, it looks like it's tagging some resistance zones, but that almost seems like a trap. Now keep in mind, when I use the retail settlement and everything like that, I'm trying to go against what the majority of people are doing, because the majority of people who trade, they end up losing money. See, I knew it. Everyone is shorting that. Well, not me. I'm not doing it. Now, I could be wrong. Well, sometimes the retail crowd is right, but I always wouldn't always trust them. I know that the Aussie has some news coming on soon, but it looks like they're buying it over the yen. Let me look at Aussie yen. Let me see what we've got going. Ah. Looks like, you know, maybe they were right. Because I think that the settlement, yeah, it is delayed to some degree, so they did have something going on. Could it tag and hit this, could this resistance area turn into support? Who knows? Looks like it's starting to reject this area, possibly. Let's move down. The thing of it is, I don't know when this, is going to stop dropping, and I don't see it being able to hold any of these support areas, so that one is something, that's an area I don't want to look at. It's another good pair. I haven't checked out Euro Pound in a while. Looks like it might start rejecting somewhere up here. I don't really think it's set yet, though, for any clear trades. Euro USD. I think we already looked at Euro USD. I mean, this one, it's a late entry. Yeah, I don't really trust myself taking it. I haven't looked at pound yen in a while. This dropped too. So it looks like the pound just dropped a lot. And then I didn't even check out cable. Similar story. So far, let's see if Aussie CAD can move back up. And then I might just leave this here for a little bit. So let's get rid of this nonsense of drawing, or whatever it was supposed to be. Some news coming in. This may affect it in about 16 minutes. And the sediment, what is it for the... Most people are actually buying it. This could be a setup. This could be very well a setup. So we can look for something like this, maybe. It could drop below here. If it does do that, I would look at the other charts and see if anything can be done. Let me draw Fibonacci. Where's the fib retracement? Swing low to the swing high. Could bounce off at this level, but usually with the Fibonacci, when I check it on 4-hour time frames, I don't really use it that much. Let's just see if anything moves. I might get a quick scalp and maybe on the 15-minute chart. There we go, if it can load. I see it rejecting this bottom wick down here, but now there's another white candle. I personally make my candles blue and white because that's just how I am. And it's below VWAP. So I'm just going to play this out for a bit. And then we're going to see. And now we just play the waiting game. Alright. I'll be back in a second. But you know, I'm just going to write it out. Alright, let's take a look. And, let's get rid of this. See if it can break below here. I might take this quick little scalp. It. Alright. I don't see any signs of it really. I don't have the highest hopes for it. I'm probably not going to put in a big lot size. But, I don't know, let's do it. I don't recommend it, but we're going to do it. Just because it's like one of my first streams with... Not ever, I streamed like years ago using my actual voice. So I feel like I should scalp. Let me put this in. Okay, stop loss 0.90. $167. Alright. Then we'll just adjust the take profit to... Let me adjust this. Alright. I see someone else has joined in the chat. I don't know who that is, but it's nice to have you here. Yep. Oh, we're in some profit actually. Nice. Wait, did I hit the button that's... Alright, there we go. Good. I wanted to make sure my mic was on. Okay, let's see. We're in some profit. And it's looking pretty good. Alright, let's see if we can get this going good, and, I usually don't scalp Forex, but this might work out. It is below the VWAP. Let me look at this on higher time frames. Ultimately, getting up here would have been the best, but, we didn't do that now, did we? Because yesterday we were probably... Yeah, we were doing other stuff. Important stuff. Very important stuff. Oh, I just heard noises. Now we're out of profit. Isn't that cool? Wait, no, we're back still in profit. Oh! That's why I'm... Don't I have my... It keeps sending me messages. Who keeps trying to message me? And no, it's... It's not the Telegram thing. I know what the Telegram thing sounds like. So, well, the other guy left the chat, so now there's probably no one in the chat. So I'm probably sitting here talking to myself, but I don't care. I got 57 subs, and eventually some of them will show up. Oh, that's not looking good. It's looking actually pretty bad. Oh yeah, that's not looking good at all. Why won't it show? There we go. It's hopefully it'll wick out right around here. Should we scale in? I have no idea. Should I scale in a little bit? I'll maybe add a 0.01. Just one of those. Alright. And it demolished that. Yeah, I think we lost this one. Hopefully they'll start reject. I don't see it rejecting. This is why I do more swing trading. Hi, Mighty Ox Trading. We are taking a loss right now. I did kind of force out a trade because it was, I was bored. Oh, now I got 3 people watching me. Watching me lose. Well, no, this one actually might wick out. And hopefully that will happen. Nope, it's not gonna do that. Oh, you fucking prick. What the? Let's just see how it goes. Nothing more to do. And if you lose this one, then you lost that one. mean, you could always, like, try and sue TradingView, but I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, I think we lost this one. Meanwhile, while this one's going, let's go look for another one. Should have done some more prep work. 100%, yes. But that's no issue. The thing of it is, you always want to look at the higher time frames as well. And on the higher time frames, what does this tell me? Well, actually, did that economic event happen yet? Oh yeah, all of them did. And it gave strength to the Australian dollar, which is exactly what I didn't want it to do. So that doesn't help us. Or I should say me. Don't blindly take trades just because I take them, because, like, only, like, actually, this one... Nah, not looking the best. We're gonna Aussie CAD. Let's go back to our... And I think we lost it. Yep, we lost. Probably due to that news. Yeah, so we lost. But that's okay. Because we'll just find another winner here. Damn, that really shot up against me. Alright. Oh. Oh, that was, I should not have put down that much money on that one. That was stupid of me. Whatever. Live, you learn. Oh. Okay, let's find another one. This one, guaranteed winner next trade. Guaranteed, or else I'm suing. It could break below here, possibly. Or my other idea could still come into play. Let me look at the economic calendar. Get about an hour. It's low impact. I know that the dollar Swiss dropped today. Dropped a lot today. Yes, it did. Yeah, let's just draw. Nah. Could it? Maybe. I just really don't see a setup I like today. This one, I usually try to avoid Euro USD because this is like the most traded currency pair, and I know that the banks are probably all over this, trying to knock out every retail trader, so I avoid this one. US CAD. Now it looks like this one's gonna actually go down. Let me see. Do I side with the retail crowd? Do I side with the retail crowd? That almost looks like a tweezer tops pattern. It isn't though. But, This could become a tweezer tops if it gets bigger, but I don't think it is going to. So let's go down to the 4-hour chart. I mean, it could break through, but do I think it's going to? So do I go with the retail crowd? Let me check out the currency strength. CAD's actually strong. US dollar's getting weaker, which that would actually help. Did that just move that quickly right before my eyes? Here. If we're gonna take it off the 4-hour chart. And let me see, what can this do? Usually when it comes to the daily, these types of technical analysis things are more accurate. So I'm going to do a very, very small lot size. And if you're going to take this one, this is a longer term swing trade because Forex is meant for swing trading, basically. I mean, yes, you can day trade it, but you want to go to the more volatile pairs like gold, you know, stuff like that. So the sentiment, I know that if you look at the dollar overall, the dollar did look like it was getting weaker, so that doesn't help the case either. See, trading is like chess. You know, you have to think, if I move here, he's going to get my bishop. If I move here, he's going to get my knight. But then he could also get my rook, or I could also take his rook. That's how trading is. Let's look at the DXY before we finally take this trade. It doesn't look like it's breaking through anything. Earlier, I thought it looked kind of bullish. I mean, bearish, but on the daily, it doesn't really. I mean, it could drop at this level, but overall, the daily, I just don't see anything strong. USD CAD. Alright. Small lot size. Let's go for it. Trade at your own risk. Don't let me make these decisions for you. Remember, my system for profitability, you have to be very patient. There's periods where you're not making any money, but overall, you will make money if you continue with the method, because I can't get every trade right. Alright, let's go. Let's go with, let's put down, um, let's put down, let's put down one lot size. There we go. Alright, now we're going to take a quick break again. And I'll see you in a few minutes. I'm just going to mute my mic, that's it, that's all I'm going to do. Alright, and we're back. Let's take a look at this. But pretty much the trade is set. I'm not sure how it's going to work out. I'm gonna post this into the Discord, the setup. We don't even need to do that. We just do now I'm gonna post that in the Discord. And yes, I just got something from... got an alert from FX Street's Telegram telling me that the Australian dollar gained power. Gained strength. yeah, it was the news that did that, and that ultimately screwed me up. I do have, let me see. Well, this is the trade. I posted it into the Discord. I really don't have much else to say or do, so I'm gonna cut this stream short. And depending on tomorrow, I may be back. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Let's see, yeah, tomorrow should be Friday, so the market will close at about 5. So I will try and be back here on Sunday evening. If not, maybe if I am not busy tomorrow, I can maybe do an earlier stream, but most likely Sunday or Monday we'll be back. And I posted the trade in the Discord. You can go take a look at that. And hope you all have a good rest of your night. And thanks for stopping by.